See, you know where it is.
Ready, Apollo? Want your ball? Ready? Ready?
Go! Go get it! Come on! You can do this! Come on! You can do this! Come on! I know! You're doing good! Come on, bud! Oh, looky there. Well, now, there we go. Oh, looky, it's right there. There's your ball. Right there. Here, we get it. Come on, come on. Oh, looky. Get it. Ready? Ready? Come on, Apollo. It's so close. Come on. I know. Okay. Ready? Set. Let's go. Come on. You're silly boy. So close. I know you're trying to push me in. You're so close. Come on, Apollo. Right there. Can you grab it for me so I can get it? Oh, it's so close. I got it. You want it? You want it? Get it. Get your ball. Get it. Come on. You can do it, Bob. Come on.
Miranda, does he chase it? If you rolled it, would he chase it?
At this point, probably not, because he's realized we're the edge of the deck.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Apollo, ready? No, we're not going down there.
No, we're not going down there. You can do this. Come here. You can do this. Set. Go. Come on. Come on, bud. Right over there. It's right over there. Get it. Get it. No. Come on, get it. You're so close. Oh, come on. You can do it.
Why do you keep body slamming me?
You're a goof, bud.
You're
So close. So close.
I think he's trying to make it with your wife.
I'm gonna get it. It's right there.
I got it on camera.
You want it? You want it? You can taste it. It's right there. Ready? Set. Ready? You want it? Ready? Get it. Get it. Oh, dude. Get it right there. He goes, yeah. He goes like, last time I went in. Last time I was safe. Ready? Want it? Ready? Get it.